Humanity has always looked up at the night sky with a single question: how far can we really go? From low Earth orbit, our world appears peaceful, yet fragile. Every mission, every discovery, every breakthrough has begun here, on this small blue sphere suspended in darkness. But today, we imagine something different. A propulsion system capable of leaving Earth not just for Mars, but for the stars themselves. To reach another star, we must first escape the gravitational domain of our own. The Sun, a fusion engine burning for billions of years, defines the boundaries of our cosmic neighborhood. With conventional propulsion, crossing this boundary would take tens of thousands of years. But with HTS Engines, a system based on controlled orientation of matter in space, interstellar travel becomes a question not of millennia, but of decades. Just over 4 light-years away. At velocities approaching 10% of the speed of light, a journey that once seemed impossible becomes achievable within a human lifetime. The HTS propulsion system does not bend space. It reorients the internal structure of matter, reducing inertial resistance by several orders of magnitude. For the first time, the distance between stars becomes a navigable frontier. Orbiting this small red dwarf is Proxima Centauri b, a rocky world located within the star's habitable zone. We do not know its atmosphere. We do not know its oceans, its climate, or its potential for life. But we do know this: it is the closest Earth-like world beyond our solar system. Approaching an exoplanet at interstellar velocities requires precision, stability, and adaptive control, capabilities made possible by the HTS propulsion architecture and its dynamic, real-time modulation of inertial properties. Here, in the light of another sun, humanity's greatest question becomes a mission objective. The HTS propulsion system represents more than a new engine. It is a new chapter in exploration, a technology that transforms interstellar travel from theoretical possibility into engineering reality. The journey to Proxima Centauri b begins with a single idea: that the stars are not beyond our reach, only beyond our imagination. Until now.